In this video, I'm going to show you how to import files in Tinkercad quickly and correctly so you can bring in your own designs without any confusion. Whether you're working with an SVG, an STL, or an OBJ file, this is a super useful skill that can save you a lot of time when building models, customizing parts, or combining existing designs inside your Tinkercad workspace. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides just like this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import files in Tinkercad quickly and correctly so you can bring in your own designs without any confusion. Whether you're working with an SVG, an STL, or an OBJ file, this is a super useful skill that can save you a lot of time when building models, customizing parts, or combining existing designs inside your Tinkercad workspace. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Tinkercad and go into the workspace where you want to place your file. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Import button right near the Export option. This is the tool you'll use to bring external files into your project. Click the Import button and a window will pop up on your screen. This is where Tinkercad lets you choose the file you want to add. You can either click Choose a File to browse through your computer, or if it's easier, you can drag and drop the file directly into the upload box. Both methods work, so just use whichever feels more comfortable. Before importing, it's important to know which file types Tinkercad supports. If you're importing a 2D design, Tinkercad accepts SVG files. These are vector files, and Tinkercad will automatically extrude them into a 3D shape. If you already have a 3D model, you can use STL or OBJ files. These are the most common formats for 3D objects, and they import very well into Tinkercad. After you select your file, you may see some optional settings. One of the most useful ones is scale. If your model comes in too large or too small, you can adjust the percentage here to make it the right size. This is especially helpful if your design was created in another program and the dimensions don't match your Tinkercad project. You may also see dimension controls, where you can set the exact length, width, or height before the file appears on the work plane. If you need precise sizing, this is the place to do it. Taking a moment here can help avoid resizing problems later, especially if your project needs accurate measurements. Once everything looks good, click the Import button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Tinkercad will process the file and bring it onto your work plane. Depending on the file size and your connection, this may take a few moments, but once it's done, your model will appear in the workspace and you can start editing it right away. From there, you can move it, resize it, combine it with other shapes, or make changes just like any other object in Tinkercad. And that's really all there is to it. Importing files is one of the easiest ways to speed up your workflow and make Tinkercad much more powerful for your projects. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Tinkercad tutorials, beginner tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.